Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw Spider-Man while we learn Spanish. Let's go with the face. Face in Spanish is cara. Now his mysterious eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. Now we draw the spider's web of his face. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!